Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this AWS tutorial, and in this tutorial we will see how to host React application on AWS. So for that purpose we will be making use of the EC2. So if you don't know how to access EC2, just click over here and you can click on the EC2 directly, or you can search for EC2 over here like this, then click on EC2 over here. After that will be creating one EC2 instance. So over here you will see the running instances and everything. You can click on this. This will basically show the all the instances which are already running. Right now there is not a single instance which is running right now. So these are the previously created instances. I'll do one thing. I'll say launch instance, and I'll be making use of this cheat sheet kind of a thing in which I've already noted down all the commands which I will be using in order to run this application. Okay, so I'll be giving the name to my EC2 instance. I'll say demo, or I can say React demo. Okay, and I will use the operating system as Ubuntu over here. I'm setting it up, and after that, instance type is T2 micro I'm using, and we will be basically creating the key pair. So key pair basically is used during the login process. Okay, so if you want to log in from your local system to this particular instance, that time this key value pair is needed. So I'll do one thing. I'll say create a new key value pair, and I'll give the same name. I'll say React demo, and .ppk file I have to create. Just click on this and click on create key pair. So after that, key pair will be downloaded and it will be in your download folder, which you can use during the login process. This will basically work as your password. And let me just go down, and over here we'll be we'll be setting the security rules. So first of all, there is one SSH rule. When we are setting the SSH rule as 0.0.0./0, that means from anywhere anyone could SSH to this particular EC2 instance. I will be also allowing the HTTP and HTTPS and HTTP over here. Sorry. And after that, you can assign the storage over here, how much storage you want. So once you are done setting up all these things, you can click on the launch instance, which will basically launching our instance over here. Okay, so now instance has been successfully launched. Let me just open that instance. So this is that instance. Right now it is in pending state because it is getting ready. You can click on the refresh over here. Click on refresh again. As long as you're not seeing it is running, it is in the running state. Okay, so now it is in the running state. Let me just open this particular instance. So over here, you will see the public IP, and this is the public IPv4 DNS and everything. And after that, we have the other details like the platform and all the necessary information over here. Here you can see the status and alarms, monitoring, security. From here you can set up the security rules and everything. And here you can see the EBS storages and like storage volumes. Uh, After that, okay, so now suppose you want to connect to this particular instance from the browser, you can click on the connect over here, and you will, if you just scroll down, you will see the username. So basically this is the username which you will be entering during logging into this instance from your local system. So for that purpose you can even make use of this WinSCP. WinSCP is the software which you can download. Okay, so over here when it comes to entering your username whatever is over here, this Ubuntu, that you will be entering over here, and password over here is basically the key which you downloaded. Okay, so where is it just now? Okay, so this react demo.ppk, this file what you have downloaded, that will go over here in place of password. And when it comes to the host name basically is where is the host name? this this is basically the host name. Just copy it and paste it over there. Okay, so that you have to paste over here. I'll be showing you all these things afterwards. So array yaar, what just happened? Let me just go back. Okay, so far we are over here. Okay, that's fine. We will click on the connect, and we will try to connect to this EC2 instance. I'll just come down below, and I'll click on connect, and then I'll click on the connect over here. So after that, it will open this particular console, which is basically giving us the direct access to the terminal, and there is a lot of things present over here. You can clear all these things, and if you say sudo, so this will basically give you the super user access, and then you have to copy paste you have to hit this first in order to carry out the update to the EC2 instance, the Ubuntu operating system, whatever it is there. So this will implement current updates which are, if it is not having. Okay, so let's just wait for a while until the operating system is getting updated. Okay, so it is updated now, and if you want, you can even install the curl. I'll do one thing, I'll install the curl also. So when it comes to the copy paste in the terminal, it is like Control Shift C, Control Shift V, but I'm just using the right click and all, so that the people are not getting confused. Okay, that's fine. And now I will be installing this NVM. You can use this also, sudo if instead of this command you can use this also. Okay, that is fine. Then you have to install the NVM. So this is the command to install the NVM. I will come over here and I will paste. Okay, so NVM has been installed. Then I will load NVM. I'll copy this. I'll come over here and I will paste. And after that, installing the latest node version. Okay, so node has been installed. In order to check the node, I will say node -v and npm -v to check the node and npm package. So far everything is going fine. We have installed up till here. Okay, then we will be making use of the nginx, so you can copy this. See, over here sudo command is actually not needed because we have already executed the sudo su, like super user, in the beginning only. So you can directly say apt space install space nginx space -y, which stands for yes, for if it is asking for the permission like to enter y or yes, whatever that is. You can hit enter and it will install nginx over here. So this will basically take a little bit of time, so just wait patiently. Okay, so it got executed very fast. Okay, that's fine. And then again you can check the nginx version over here. Okay, so do the nginx -v and it will give you the version of the nginx. So nginx is also been installed properly now. And if you do the cd // it will basically take you to the main root, and now we are here. Okay, so cd // after that if we do the ls, we will be able to see all the folders present, and basically from among all these folders present, we are interested in var folder. Okay, so if you see there is this var folder, we will go to the var and we'll do ls, and inside of that there is this www. Okay, so now we are interested in that, so we'll do cd www, and again I'll do the ls. So over here there is this html. I think we have to again go to the html. Yes, again I will do cd html, and I am inside of the html folder now, and inside of the html there is this index dot nginx, whatever that is. So this is basically one stupid file which shows that your nginx page is loaded. Okay, so this is the basic nginx html file, whatever that is. So now what we will do, we will create one app over here, React app, and for that purpose I will copy this and I'll paste it. Okay, so you have to enter Y. So patiently just wait for a while. You can even make use of the white over here. So there is this something recently came across. I came across as a white. Okay, so if you just check, instead of using the traditional installation with where did it go? Right, just now I executed like create React app and all. So this is basically the bulkier one, but you can even make use of the white. But if you are making use of the white, then you have to create a configuration file and all. But I might create a tutorial about it afterwards. But as of now, let's just stick to this simple one because this will open on the port 3000 and all. And yeah, it is not that difficult, but let's just try to keep everything as simple as possible. Okay, because this is just at a beginner level, so that's why. So let's just wait for a while until this is getting installed, and then I'll try to execute the app. So I'll be running the npm start. So if you're using the white, then instead of running the npm start, you will be running npm run dev. Okay, so it will be something like npm run dev, but right now I'll be using the npm start. Okay, start, whatever that is. So let's just wait for a while. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll pause this video until these node modules are getting installed. Okay, so now if I just do the ls, there is this folder known as a demo which has been created, and I will do the npm start, and it will run my app over here. Okay, so let it run. Okay, so now my app is successfully running on port 3000, and now let's just do one thing. Okay, so now I have done this. I have to do the chmod and 777-r, and I have to give the permission to my this React repo. So basically the chmod 777-r demo means basically we are just changing the mode to the read, write and execute, and this is the world writable something, and this is the name of the folder. Okay, so I'll do one thing right now. I'll just stop the execution by hitting the Ctrl plus C, and I will do this chmod 777-r, and I will give the access to everything in the demo folder. Okay, so okay, what just happened? Chmod cannot access the demo. Okay, so now it's fine, and now what we'll be doing, just now I've given the permission to my this particular folder what I've created, and now I have to set the inbound rule. Okay, so my if you go to the demo, and if I just do the npm start, my application this React application is basically running on the port 3000. Okay, so I have to add this to the inbound rule so that it is accessible outside of the EC2 instance. Okay, so for that purpose I'll do one thing. I will go to the, I'll show you everything from the beginning. Okay, so these are my running instances. I'll click on this, and after that you have to search for the instance which was created by you just now. Let's just wait for a while. Everything is loading. I don't know why it is taking so much of time. Okay, so this is that React demo. Click on this instance, just come down below, and after that you will see the security groups. So again, do one thing, come down below. This security group you see, right? Security group, click on it, and over here we have to set the inbound rules. So there are these inbound rules and outbound rules. So when it comes to the inbound rules, so I want to make the port 3000 accessible outside. So for that purpose, I'll say edit inbound rules over here, and after coming, I'll click on add rules and custom TCP only, and I'll say 3000, and I'll just select this. That means from anyone from anywhere can access it, and come down below and save rules. Okay, and this is done. After that, I'll do one thing. I'll just go to the security groups. Where did it go? I'll just go back. Okay, so this is my instance. I'll open this address over here, and now as can be seen, we are not able to access it. Okay, so we are not able to access this because this is on the HTTPS. So basically, there is concept of the HTTP and HTTPS. So if you want your IP address to be secure, then you have to attach the SSL certificate, and you can do that attaching the SSL certificate via Cloudflare and all. Okay, there is something as a Cloudflare, which basically allows you to get the SSL certificate for free and all. Like few years back, I took that time it was free. Right now, I don't know how is the process in the Cloudflare. You have to just basically set the rules and everything that you can do from the Cloudflare. I don't know is there any other platform which gives you the SSL certificate, but Cloudflare does. Okay, that is not an issue right now. We will be accessing my IP via HTTP only, not HTTPS. So now you can see this stupid nginx page over here, which is actually useless. We have nothing to do with this. So we have to do one thing. We have to just copy this. I just stopped running the application. Okay, so my application is running on localhost 3000. So I'll do one thing. I'll put colon over here, and 3000 I'll put. And now, as can be seen, my application, React application, is running over here. Okay, so if you don't set security groups over here and allowing the localhost 3000, then you won't be able to see this output. Okay, so now up till here everything is fine. Now what we have to do, then we have to copy the files to the demo from the local system. So now what I will do, I will create exact same application on my desktop. So for that purpose, what I will do, I will come over here. Let me just refresh. So there is this demo which is already created by me. Okay, so I created this demo by running this npm create react app demo on my desktop. Okay, you people might get confused. I'll do one thing. I'll again create everything from the beginning on the desktop and I'll show it to you. Let me just pause this video for a while. Okay, so now I will do one thing. I'll open the terminal on my desktop. I'll create one React application. So I will go to desktop, and I will execute basically the same command. Where is it? Okay, so it is not npm, it is npx, by the way. And this will again create one React application on my desktop, just like how we have created in the EC2 instance. So when it comes to this particular application, we are trying to upload local application of the React on the server. Okay, and we will be doing that with the PM2. I will show you all how to do that. Let's just wait for a while until these modules are getting installed, node modules. Then I will create some application. So over here, as can be seen, this is some basic application which is running. Okay, I want to override this application which is there on the server with my local application which I am doing right now. So I'll show you how to do that. And for that purpose, we are basically using the PM2. So PM2, we will be doing the global installation and everything, which I will be showing you all afterwards. Let me just finish this installation first. Okay, so it is almost ready now. It is installing the templates and all. Okay, so now my application is ready. I'll close this terminal right now. Let me just refresh the desktop. Okay, so this is that folder. I'll do one thing. I will open this folder and I will run this folder and show it to you all. So now this is my local setup. Okay, so local React application which I want to host. So now what I'll do, I'll open one terminal and I'll just hit npm start over here, and after that it should run this application locally, and I'll be carrying out some modifications to this local application which I'll be hosting on the EC2 instance. So for that purpose I'm doing this. Okay, so now my application is running, and it should give me the exact same output what I'm seeing over here. Okay, so this is on the this IP on of the EC2, and this is my local, which should basically run on the local host 3000. And yeah, it is almost there. Okay, it is loading. Okay, so here is it, and this is the remote one, and this is the local React application. Okay, so I'll do one thing, I will come here and carry out some modifications. Instead of all this, I will do one thing, I will remove this, and let me just save this, and okay, so now this is my local application which this with this particular text, and I want to host it over here on the remote. Okay, so now how I will be doing that, let me just show you all. So for that purpose, what I will do, I will make use of this WinSCP. You can easily download it, and then what you do, you have to just come up here to your EC2 instance, then you will find this public IPv copy this, paste it over here, and username was Ubuntu, which I already told you, and my key was basically this react hyphen demo dot ppk. Okay, so I'll just look for it. Okay. Okay, so right now it is working. I'll click on accept. Okay, so now it is fine. It is working right now. So my when it comes to my folder, it is on the desktop. So you have to click on the desktop over here, and inside of that you have to search for the demo. This is the one, and these are all the files. And over here inside of this there is this Ubuntu. What is this going on? Okay, so over here we went inside of the var. After that we have to go to the www html, and there is this demo, and now what you do, you basically have to copy all the files from here, from your local system to this remote one, except this node modules. Okay, so what you to do, I'll do one thing, I'll just delete this, and I'll copy all this, and I'll paste it over here. Okay, so all of my files are transferred successfully, and now it can be seen. As soon as the file transfer has been successful, now this is the remote IP of my this thing EC2. The same text has been replaced over here. Okay, so you can easily do that. Now, if suppose I'll do one thing. I want to change this text. I'll change this to hello Akshay. I will save this. Okay, and now let me just show you. This is on the local system which says hello Akshay over here. And now what I will do right now, I will come over here. I will copy this, paste it over here, only src folder, and only src has been moved. And now if you just see on this, this is my remote IP. The same text has been replicated. Okay, so this is how basically you can host a React application on the EC2. I hope you people enjoyed this, and if you want to watch more such videos, please consider subscribing, because I'll be posting more such videos about AWS, Munstack, and WordPress, a lot of things. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope to see you all in the next tutorial.